this special day, I would like to pay my homage to the great leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is a prominent political figure in India. The people of the country gave him another name, the Iron Man of India. The legendary politician is one of the freedom fighters of the country. Sardar Patel is one of the most dynamic and mighty warriors of the country. The political figures contributed in numerous ways during the Indian freedom movement. He was one of the most prominent and intellectual leaders of the country. He is one of the many leaders who contributed in bringing independence to the country. The Iron Man of India truly suits him because of his dominant personality. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Nadiad, a small village in Gujarat in the year 1875. The real name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is Vallabhbhai Jhaverbhai Patel. It was later that people started calling him as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar means the leader. Sardar title was conferred on him. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a brave and courageous person. Everyone who knew him thought that he would do an ordinary job because he completed his matriculation at the age of 22. However, he proved everyone wrong when he continued his education and wished to become a graduate in law. He travelled to England to be a barrister. After few days, he returned back to his home country and continued his practice in Ahmedabad. He met Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1917 and thus started his journey for the Indian independence movement. He joined Satyagraha movement in Gujarat after he joined Indian National Congress. It was the first movement that Sardar Patel joined against the British atrocities. He participated in many agitations after Satyagraha, which brought him closer to Mahatma Gandhi. He was jailed many times, but that did not dissuade him from his motives. He was an independent and self-motivated man. Sardar Patel is one of the people who contributed to bring the people of the country together. He empowered people to fight against the British authorities. His belief in unity was so strong that he brought people together to fight. He had strong and compelling personalities, leadership qualities. Sardar Patel was one of the few leaders who could connect with the public. His contribution towards Indian political dimensions continued after the country got independence. One of his significant contributions was towards the integration of the country. He travelled all over India promoting the policy of One India, One Nation. Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister and later became the first Deputy Prime Minister of the country. He was conferred for a Bharat Ratna award in the year 1991. Sardar Patel's contribution to the Indian freedom struggle has been remarkable and incomparable. He was an immense source of inspiration for the youth of the nation, not only during freedom movement but also in the current days. He is being termed as a self-made man in the true sense. His ideologies of integration have laid the foundation of unity. That's why his birthday is being celebrated as National Unity Day. So on this special occasion, let us all salute the great leader and remember his ideologies. Jai Hind.